Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, let's see how versioning work. So I have created this bucket in previous video, right? This is the bucket and these are the objects folder I have created, uploaded, correct? And just notice here there is no versioning that I can see the version of this file or etc. There is no option coming here because right now there is no versioning enabled for this bucket. Okay, how can we enable versioning? Go to properties, okay, and here we have this bucket versioning. Click on edit. It's very simple. So like I said, by default it's suspended. This suspend the creation of object version of all operations but preserves any existing object. That is what it says, and we can enable it. And after enabling bucket versioning, you might need to update your lifecycle rules. We will talk about it. What are the lifecycle rules to manage previous version of an object? Okay, save the changes. So now the versioning is enabled, right? Let's close it and let's go to object now. And now we started seeing this option, the toggle option, which says show versions. Right now we see this is the file I uploaded, sample1.txt, and it's just like that, just one single file. But if I click on this show version, right, we can see this file sample1.txt is having null version because it was uploaded before the versioning was enabled. Now let's do one thing. I'll just upload the same file again. Let me first show what is written inside this file. If I click over here and open it, this is sample1 file. Okay, now what I will do, this is the sample1 file. I'll just change this file text. So this is my sample1 file and I will say sample1 file changed. I just changed this file, right? And I will go to my bucket again and let's upload the same file again. Right now versioning is enabled. So I'll click on upload, add file, and let me upload sample1 file again. So this is uploaded. Now I'll close this. Okay, and it is uploaded. Now if we click on show versions again, we can see there are two versions created for sample1.txt. One is the null one, which is the previous one, and one is this new one, which is just uploaded. Now if we see if I'll go to this file sample1.txt and I'll open this URL again, basically the short URL, this one. Which is a public URL, right? So we see sample1 file is changed. It shows that it is changed now. Now what we can do is, if I want to go back to the previous version, maybe because of by mistake or something, someone has uploaded this file which is wrong. So I'll click on show version, right? And I see this is the latest version which was uploaded by mistake. So I will click here, right? Because I want to go back to the previous version which is null, right? And I'll delete it. So it says if you want to delete it, you just need to mention permanent delete. Okay, permanent delete, delete it. And if I go back now, let's close this, right? And then there is the show version is enabled and I can see only one null. Let's go back here and if I refresh again, it's sample1 file. Okay, what if right now it's just one version, right, which is null? What if and versioning is enabled, what if I delete this file? So if I click here and I delete this file, I'll just, okay, I have all versions. Okay, so I just click here and if I delete this file, delete, and I'll need to write delete, delete, and I delete this. Let's close it, and if I refresh it, there is no file. Now the file is deleted, and if I refresh this page, this is also not showing because this file is not there anymore. Okay, but if we click on this show versions, right, we see the file is the file is something is added at delete marker, right, to this file. That's why it's not, maybe by mistake I have deleted it. I mean, the in previous video I explained, if versioning is enabled, this is a safe delete. I mean, if by mistake also if you delete it, there is a way you can retrieve it back. So what I want is, I want this file only back, this the default one. So what I can do, I can just simply select the delete marker, right, and delete it. So again I need to write permanently delete. So I'm just, so it's just like they have created an object which is with uh, the delete marker. That's it. If I delete this delete marker one, and if I go back, again the file is back, right? And if I refresh it here, the file is again back, right? Let's try one more thing. So if I click here, this is not showing any version, right? This is how we deleted. But if I click here and there is a null one, again if I try to delete from here, what will happen? So if I delete from here, because I'm just deleting the null one, right? I delete it very quickly. Let's do it. So this time it is deleted because I selected that version and then deleted, right? So even if I change the version, show version, etc., I will not be able to see it, and then there is no way to retrieve this. So always remember, I mean, when we delete any specific version, then that version will be deleted, and but if we delete the file and versioning is enabled, then the file will not be deleted, but the delete marker will be added to that file, so another version will be created. Okay, so that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.